Welcome to KickUp's reporting tables training. In this video, you'll learn how to view event details, view collection details, and view staff attendance data. To access the reporting tables for your PD events, click the Manage button on the right side of your homepage. The reporting tables are housed under these three tabs. If you have the Manage Events permission, you'll see all events and attendance records across the district. If you're a facilitator but not an event creator, you'll see the event records for your events only. Let's start with the Opportunities table. Here you'll see a list of all of the events that have been created in your district. Clicking the event name will take you to the event. Scroll to the right in the table to see additional information. This list is searchable, so begin typing the name of the event to find it. This table is filterable, so you can use the filters at the top to drill into just the events that you need to see. The table defaults to showing the events in the current school year, but you can click the X next to the school year to remove that filter and therefore see all events. You can also filter into learning type, date, collection name, or facilitator name. And if you need even more details, click the filter button to use any factors about the opportunity itself, attendance and registration, or your district's tags to filter. For example, you could click on the content focus tag type and select literacy to just see literacy events appear in your opportunity table. You're able to edit the columns of the table to pull in the information that you need. Click Edit Columns, and on the right side of the pop-up window, you'll see the columns that currently exist in your table. You can drag and drop them to reorder them. On the left side, you can add additional columns to the table. For example, you might want to add an additional column with the location of the PD if you're taking a look at that geographically. Once you've edited the table and pulled in the columns that you need, you can use these three dots to export it. Click the three dots and click Export Table. The filters and any edits that you make to the columns will stick, so in your export, you'll see it set the way that you've created it. Next, let's take a look at the Collections table. This tab allows you to see all of the collections that exist within your district. This Collections table is also searchable, and you can filter by the collection type or the year. Clicking on the name of the collection will show you the events that are a part of that collection. You can easily see the number of people registered and confirmed and the attendance rate. This table is also exportable. Click Actions and then click Download Table as CSV. Finally, we have the attendance tables. There's a by staff member table and a records table here. Let's start with the by staff member. This is going to give you a view of every staff member who has taken any PD within your district. Each person next to their name will show a total number of hours of PD that they've attended. This list is also searchable, and you can filter. It will default to showing the current school year, but that can be removed. When you remove that filter, you'll see the total number of hours of PD a staff member has taken of all time, rather than just in that particular school year. Filtering down using groups, you could pick just staff members who are part of a particular group, such as just staff members at a certain site. This table is also going to be exportable, so click Actions and then Download Hours as a CSV. Finally, we have the records table, which is the most extensive reporting tool. Here, you'll see that each time a staff member has attended a particular event, a new line of data is generated. This records table is searchable and filterable, and you can also edit the columns to customize it to include exactly the information that you need. It will default to showing confirmed attendance records, meaning only times that a staff member has confirmed their attendance. It will also default to the current school year. You can add additional filters by clicking the Filters button. And here you can filter by details about the attendance record itself, or by the staff member, or by the opportunity. For example, you might want to filter here just the staff members from a particular school. Finally, you can edit the columns here as well. So again, on the right side, you'll see the columns that currently exist, and on the left, you'll be able to add in additional columns. For example, you might want to include the grade level that a teacher teaches, or maybe you want to know more about a particular learning opportunity, like what framework it was aligned with. When you've customized the columns and the filters to fit your needs, click the three dots to export the table. Thank you for joining the Reporting Tables training. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@kickup.co.